Right, drop your speaker into your bag like that. Yep. Always make sure put the foam at the back here. Foam at the side that's supplied. This cushions it from bouncing around. Make it nice and snug. Okay, once that's in like that, spot on, velcro this flap. This flap right over, nice and tight to there. Don't forget to turn your volume up. I'll just turn this a little bit up. And switch your light on. Okay. Right there, you put your one gang socket and everything inside here. Use an extra section or whatever plug you want to use. I'm just using this for demonstration. Okay, over here, Matt. This flap velcro's open on your rain cover. Stick this loose bit onto there and simply drop it in straight onto the velcro and the back one. It will fall naturally onto it. The wire has a channel. Where's our channel? Here. Put your wire in your channel. I won't put it all in because it takes a bit of time for the video, but it'll sit right on that channel, like the length there, right the way down. Yeah. Drop that in. Look over your rain cover. Back onto there. That's just done for example. Pause.